Hey y'all, so I'm staying at Montevalle Health and Wellness Resort, and I'm going to show you guys what my room looks like. Here's my key, and I'm staying in Villa #1, so come check it out. So at first glance, here's what it looks like outside. This is what the outside looks like of the room, and they have a ramp right here. I'm going to go up the stairs and come out this way, out to the front door. Villa #1.
Unlocked.
Open up the door, and this is what you see right when you walk in. It is such a beautiful room. So the bed's right there. I already have my stuff over there, 2 chairs. And then there's an outdoor area, which I will show you in a minute. But right here, there's a TV, desk, chair. And I'm gonna go up here actually, show you guys what it looks like from up here. So here's what the upstairs looks like. So you can sit right here, put your feet up, relax. And then there are other chairs here that you can just kind of sit on, look outside, chill up here. It looks like a small space, but it's actually pretty spacious up here. All right, let's go finish checking out the rest of the room. Going back down. Gotta watch my head over here because this is a bit low. All right. Again, room right here. The artwork in this room is so pretty. Hello. And then they have a robe set up. This is the bathroom, toilet, and shower area. I took a shower this morning and the water pressure was amazing. I always talk about, like, sometimes you go to hotels and the water pressure is like, what is this? But the water pressure was so good. I took an amazing bath. And I love the full-length mirrors too. Actually, let me step back. Look at that, look at that. Time for me to pose in the mirror. Anyway, let's go check out outside. I'm gonna put on my slippers before I step out. Yep, they got slippers and robe. Slide this door. And then that leads you outside. They've got this chair that you could chill on. And look what it looks like outside, y'all. It's beautiful. I think one of my favorite things about this room is walking out to this view. I am a sucker for good views. Just put me anywhere, give me a good view, and I am good to go. If you come around this way, it takes you back to the outside of the room where I came in from. But yeah, that is basically a tour of my room over here, and I'm gonna be spending 3 days here for my birthday alone. It's actually nice and quiet, and sometimes that's what you need, and that's exactly what I'm getting here. So yeah, anyway, I wanted to show you guys what my room looks like. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Peace out.